Hey everybody, so I'm just out here smoking today and I thought I would do a review on my Pitboss smoker, um, on the blanket that I got for it. This isn't really a cooking video, I'm just out here cooking, but I just kind of wanted to go over the blanket and what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So this is kind of just a quick review on that. Okay, so here's my Pitboss blanket. I've had it for a couple months now. I didn't do an unboxing video or any review of that sort on the actual blanket itself, but this is what I do like about it. Is it's super simple to put on. It's all just magnetic, except for this part is Velcro, but everything else is magnetic, and it's really strong magnets that hold it on. And some things that I do like about it is that it's magnetic. It just magnets in the back and stuff. Something that I don't like about it is it doesn't go all the way around the smoker. It just goes partially around it. As you can tell, it is cold out. I think today is maybe, I don't know, 25 degrees out. This is about the coldest I've ever smoked on it. But it is, it's working well. I mean, I'm maintaining a good temperature right around 225. With these Pitboss smokers though, I did notice that I was always worried about this temperature here and just worried about where it was set at, and that this was getting super hot and not working right. But I have learned that you really have to go by the gauge up here. Yeah, that's pretty good, and that tells you how hot the firebox and everything is. But right around in here is where you want to look at, because that's going to be more in the middle of the grill, just because of how it's pointing in, and it pokes in probably about to the middle of the grill. So that's kind of where you want the to judge your temperature at, and not necessarily off this digital control right here. Since it is cold, I have to bump it up to 250 degrees to maintain that 225 degree range. It does fluctuate. It'll go down to about 210, 215, and then jump up to like 235. But it's still within like 20 degrees of where I want it, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, so that's my review on the blanket. I do like it. I would suggest it. It really helps maintain the heat. This hopper, it was literally, I haven't added any pellets. It was just barely up to the sight glass. And as you can see here, I've been cooking on this for 3.5 hours, so it's not consuming as many pellets as it did when I had the blanket off. And also the heat it maintains, because when I cooked with the blanket off, I noticed it would drop a lot, and I had to cook it around 300 degrees to maintain, or to get it kind of in that 225 range that I was shooting for. So, but that's where we're at. If you have any questions, hit it down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. I know that this channel is mostly for wrenching on stuff, but I do like to do other things. Smoking is a big passion of mine, smoking meats. And yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll see ya.